Panic is an American high schooler show streaming arrangement made and composed by Lauren Oliver, dependent on her 2014 novel of a similar name. The arrangement stars Olivia Welch, Mike West, and Jessica Sula. The arrangement debuted on Amazon Prime Video on May 28, 2021, with a total of 10 episodes in one go. The story is based upon the deadly game Panic and some cash rewards involved in it. Panic is a loosely held bit of information in the humble community of Carp, Texas. Individuals think about the game, yet not even the members have all the data. Nobody realizes who began Panic, and nobody knows who the educators are. Each judge picks their own replacement for the next year. Lauren Oliver's book was a bestseller, and then she decided to make this web series after the huge success of the book. Fans are waiting for the Panic season 2 release date, and they are very much curious about it. There will always be an interval between two new seasons, and the first one has just come out a few months ago. So we can assume that the Panic season 2 expected release date will come at the end of 2022 or at the beginning of 2023. We also assume that previous cast will be the same in the new season and some new faces will be introduced. Nothing is announced yet about this show, but we are hopeful about this thrilling adolescent drama. If we get any news about the series, we'll update you for sure. Panic Season 1 story is all about the rich and poor students of an American school which is located at Carp, New York. After completion of their graduation, rich students go to the city to accomplish their dreams, but poor students are not able to do it because of lack of money. The plot of the show rotates around a town that conducts yearly games named Panic, and new alumni need to take part in them to win colossal measures of monetary rewards. In any case, they need to hazard their lives to win the position. A total of $50,000 will be rewarded to the student who wins the half dozen challenging parts of the game, but this year it is $67,000, which is a bigger amount than the previous year. And nobody knows who has started this game, but it continues years after years successfully. There are consistently two mystery judges who make the difficulties and grand focuses, yet beside the opening jump, none of the members understand what difficulties will be introduced. Yet one young lady called Heather Neal is not quite the same as the others and needs to escape the town to attend a university. She lives with her mother and sister and needs cash to help them financially, and another reason is that her boyfriend dumps her to someone else. Similarly, Dodge Mason, which is not much confident and brave, wants to win the game for his sister Dinah, who is also suffering for 2 years. Dodge doesn't actually need the prize cash, however he needs to win, so he'll be in a situation to kill Ray and make it anything but a mishap. The game is played in broad daylight, generally under the radar of nearby law authorization. However, after the passing of two adolescents in the past game, Sheriff Courts has the division on high ready. In the 7 years that the round of Panic was played, there have been 4 passings. One kid ended it all by shooting himself after he lost all his prize cash in Vegas. Any individual who is accepted to have enlightened the cops concerning Panic is thumped. One kid is hospitalized subsequent to being pounded. The story is quite interesting here, and that is the main reason fans are eagerly waiting for its next season. The cast includes Olivia Welch played Heather Neal, Rachel Bay Jones played Heather's mother Sherry Neal, Mike West played Dodge Mason, Jessica Sula played at Natalie Williams, Ray Nicholson played Ray Hell, Cameron Jones played Bishop Marks, David Thompson played Diggins Jordan, Elsa played as Tyler Young, Breeze Cass played as Adam Lance, Enric Murciano played as Sheriff Courts, and Moira Kelly played as Melanie Coates. Panic tells us the tale of the teenagers' love, romance, betrayals, and struggle for life, and their dreams for an established future. It also shows us the dark side of poor versus rich people's lifestyle. The story is based in a small place in Texas where poor people face the challenges to change their lives and want to fulfill their dreams and live life happily. It started with the line, "Face your fears," and a girl named Heather Neal asked for a job from an old man but didn't get the opportunity and decided to take part in the game called Panic. She took part in all the challenges. There were some fearful stunts and wanted to win the game for herself and her family and also faced cheatings from other competitors. You can watch the season 1 on Amazon Prime Video. For more such updates, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon.